Good morning, student. The next article is energy of a simple harmonic progressive wave. We have discussed in last article the equation of motion of simple harmonic progressive transverse wave. The next article is energy of a simple harmonic progressive wave. In this equation, the wave advances through a medium, advances or propagate through a medium. It sets new particles into vibration. It means that the energy is continuously being supplied to the new particles by the incoming wave. Okay, which is turn receive it from the source. Source will be new wave. Thus, in case of progressive wave motion, there is no transfer of medium in the direction of propagation of the wave, but there is always transfer of energy in the direction of propagation of wave. The energy is partially kinetic as well as partially potential. There are two energies, kinetic as well as potential. The kinetic energy is due to the velocity of vibrating particles and potential energy is due to the displacement of particles from their mean position. Consider a wave traveling along positive x direction. Okay, this is the wave. If the instantaneous displacement of particle is y, then the equation of wave can be written as we have to see in last article y is equal to a into sine of omega t minus kx. Okay, we have already discussed in last article. Let us consider a thin layer. This is the thin layer of medium of thickness dx. This is the thickness of medium, density rho, and the area of cross section is capital S. This is the area of cross section. Volume, therefore, volume of the layer is equal to S into dx. Then mass of the layer is equal to rho into S into dx. Rho is the density, S is the area of cross section, and this is the dx is the thickness of the thin medium. Velocity of each particle, and hence the layer is dy by dt is equal to a omega cos of omega t minus kx. This is the velocity of each particle. The kinetic energy of the layer is k is equal to half into mass into velocity square. This is the formula of kinetic energy. Therefore, k is equal to half. What is the mass? Rho into s into dx. This is the mass. Into what is the velocity? A square. This is the velocity. This is velocity. The squaring of this equation, a square omega square cos square omega t minus kx. This is the kinetic energy. The force acting on a layer is F is equal to mass into acceleration. This is the force, mass into acceleration. Therefore, F is equal to rho into S into dx. This is the mass. And what is the acceleration? d2y by dt square. We have discussed in last article. Therefore, F is equal to rho into S into dx into what is the value of d2y by dt square d by dt. What is the value of y? A omega cos of omega t minus kx. Okay, the equation is, solve this equation. F is equal to minus of rho into s into dx into a into omega square sine of omega t minus kx, or f is equal to minus rho into s into dx into omega square y. Since y is equal to a of sine omega t minus kx. Okay, the work done for the displacement y of the layer from its equilibrium position is stored in the layer as potential energy. We have to calculate the force and kinetic energy. Therefore, the potential energy PE is equal to work done on the layer. What is the work done? It's minus of integration 0 to y f of dy. Therefore, what is the value of f? Rho into s into dx into omega square integration 0 to y in y of dy. Solve this integration. Therefore, PE or potential energy is equal to rho into s into dx omega square. What is the integration of y? Y square upon 2. The final equation is potential energy is equal to rho into s into dx into omega square into a square. What is the value of y? A square into sine square into omega t minus kx upon 2, remaining 2. This is equation number 1. Okay, the total energy of the layer, is E is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. We have calculate already kinetic energy as well as potential energy. What is the kinetic energy? Half rho into s into dx into a square omega square cos square in bracket omega t minus kx plus what is the potential energy? This is half, this 1/2. Okay, 1/2 rho into s into dx omega square a square sine square upon omega t minus kx. Okay, same term will be common. Therefore, 1/2 rho into s into dx into a square omega square. The remaining term will be cos square omega t minus kx plus sin square omega t minus kx. Okay, the final equation is total energy is equal to half rho into s into dx into a square omega. This term will be only 1. Okay, the volume of the layer s into dx is, therefore the energy per unit volume is equal to 1/2 rho into s into dx into a square omega square. upon S into dx. Same term will be cancelled. The remaining term is 1/2 rho into a square omega square. This is the equation of energy per unit volume. Okay. Thus we get energy per unit volume or energy density of the wave is or as E nu is equal to 1/2 rho into a square omega square, but omega is equal to 2 pi nu. What is nu? Nu is the frequency. Okay, nu is the frequency. Therefore, the above equation can be written as E nu is equal to 1/2 rho into a square. What is the value of omega square? 2 into squaring of 2 is 4 pi square nu square. Okay, or E nu is equal to 2 pi square nu square into rho into a square. This is equation number 2. Since nu comma rho comma 2 pi are constant, therefore the equation is E nu is directly proportional to a square. The density is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude of wave. This is the meaning of this equation is energy density is directly proportional to the square of amplitude of the wave, and its SI unit is joule per meter cube. SI unit of energy of density, joule per meter cube. Okay, then next subarticle in this article is intensity of wave. Intensity of wave, this is the subarticle. What in by intensity? The intensity of wave or energy current is defined as the total energy of the wave passing through unit cross sectional area in unit time. This is the definition of intensity of wave. What is the definition? The total energy of the wave passing through unit cross sectional area in the time. Okay, this is the diagram of this unit or intensity of wave. The actual diagram of intensity of wave. This is I, this is S surface, this is the direction of wave, this is the velocity of the wave. Suppose the area of cross section of parallel beam of radiation is S and velocity of the wave is c. The distance traveled by the wave in unit time is c. Energy contained is equal to energy density into volume. This is the formula. What is the energy density? Into nu. And what is the volume? C into capital S. Okay, this is volume. The energy transfer per unit area per second I is equal to, what do you mean by energy transfer per unit area per second? I is equal to E nu into C S upon S. Therefore the equation is I is equal to S get cancelled. The equation is I is equal to E nu into C. Okay, but E nu is equal to 2 pi square nu square rho into A square. We have discussed in last equation. Okay, and therefore the equation is, the above equation is I is equal to 2 pi square nu square rho into C into A square. This is equation number 1. For a given wave, nu C are constant. Nu and C are the constant. The density of medium rho is also constant. Therefore, the equation is uh, 2 pi square nu square rho into C is equal to constant. Therefore, I is equal to A square. This is constant. Or I is directly proportional to E. Okay. Thus, the intensity of wave is proportional to the square of the amplitude. This is the meaning of this equation. The intensity of wave is proportional to square of the amplitude. A means amplitude, and unit is this SI unit is unit of intensity is joule per meter square second. This is the equation of intensity of wave.